Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you getting Google Weather notification in the wrong language? Don't worry, in this video I will show you a simple way to change the language of your Google Weather notification in just a few steps. First, open the Google on your phone or computer. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your Google account setting. Now, scroll down and find the languages and region section. Click on the discover language. By default, it might be set to English or other languages. To change it, scroll down and select your preferred languages. For example, I will select XYZ languages. Just tap on it and Google Weather notification will now appear in these languages. And that's it. A quick and easy way to change your Google Weather notification language. If this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.